The leaks for One UI 8 are not slowing down. We have our next version, our next update for One UI 8 here on our Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's see if we can find anything new. Welcome back to SamMobile TV. You're here with Daniel. We're going to look today at the next build of One UI 8 on my Galaxy Z Flip 6. Now, there's a few builds of One UI 8 floating around on other devices, as well as the Fold 6. I've only got it here on the Flip 6, so I can't show you some of the other ones because I don't have a Fold 6 at the moment. What I want to see if there's anything updated with this new build, and then I also want to go over some of the things I missed because of how quickly I got the other video out. So let's dive in and take a bit of a look. First thing you notice is when I go in here, I will see that the software information says it's the April security patch running on the May Google Play system update. Nice that that's there, and crazy that the versions One UI 8 and Android version 16, as you can see there. Now, there's a couple of things that I've noticed straight away. The first is the new weather app. So when I click on the weather widget, it takes me to the weather app with some new animations to go with it. Now, this one is kind of bringing, I guess, people and sort of a bit more real life animation. If we look at the one from One UI 7, which I will put here next to it, you can see it looks a bit more cartoonish, whereas this is definitely a little bit more realistic. It's got like a beach and a picture. It's a bit more lifelike in its implementation. The rest of the weather app is largely the same as you sort of swipe down through it, but it's nice that they're sort of thinking a bit more. This was leaked last week, but the APK didn't change anything, whereas now with this new build, it's brought it in. The other really small detail I've noticed is there's a new swipe interaction in settings. So if I scroll down into the settings menu here and just go into a menu, let's go into Galaxy AI. Actually, while I'm here, there is an issue with Now Brief. It was working on the previous build of One UI 8. It's now stopped working. With the widget that's here, it's now blank, and clicking on it does absolutely nothing. And if I go into widgets here and try and add it in again, it just adds in another blank one with nothing that works. So that's a bit of a shame. It seems like it's a bit of a bug with this new build. Also, the clock stopwatch isn't working in live notifications or on the now bar as well, which is a bit disappointing. But again, this isn't a consumer version of One UI 8. This is very much an internal build, so it's not even ready for beta testing yet. So not to stress. Where was I? Yes, settings. So again, going into here, what I noticed is there's a new interaction when you use the back swipe gesture. So on One UI 7, you go into settings and you go into a menu. When you hold the back swipe here, it just holds it on that screen and then swipes it away when you release it. On this new version, if I hold the swipe, it actually will keep swiping with the animation and my finger and then release it when I let go. But it does it from the same side regardless of which back swipe I'm using. So even if I'm using it from this side, it will do it from the other side. Whether or not they update that remains to be seen, but as you can see, it's different to what it was on One UI 7. Now, I mentioned the Now Brief isn't working, which means I can't show off the fact that the Now Brief works on the cover screen. When I have the flip closed, what was happening in the previous build was the Now Brief was there, and then I'd double tap on it, and then tell me to open up the phone and go into the Now Brief on this part of the screen. It's not working now. The Now Brief is broken altogether, so I can't show you that. But the Now Brief on the flip is on the cover screen as well with One UI 8. I also in the last one showed off log video. Now there's no new updates to camera, but in the previous version, what I didn't show you was that on the cover screen with the flip in One UI 8, you can record and log video straight on the cover screen. Take a look. One thing I forgot to mention is that you can actually use log video from the cover screen. So this means you can actually capture log selfie footage basically in really high quality and then obviously color correct it later. Big fan of this. Whilst I recorded that and I was testing things like audio eraser, I was playing around with the volume. And when I turned the volume up, I noticed there a new volume panel down the bottom, which means Samsung are either toying with the idea of moving the volume panel from the side and moving it down here in this panel here, or this is just a really, again, internal test build which doesn't actually have the final volume panel and they just have put one in just to play around with it. Not sure at this stage, but again, as the builds keep getting updated and we keep being able to install them, we'll have more information regarding this. I don't know what I feel about this. I do like the idea that it's a bit more one-handed, but at the same time, I also liked the idea with the previous one with the volume panel being next to where your thumb was. Now I kind of have to readjust and go lower if I wanted to readjust the volume. I also can't seem to expand this. So if I swipe up, there's no option to expand it out and sort of change different volumes, which again is a bit strange. I'm not sure whether or not there's going to be a sound assistant update to this. If I go into Good Lock, which I did download on here, let it open up and do its thing. And if maybe I'll add in sound assistant and we'll see if I can take a look at that. Okay, it's installed. Go through this rigmarole, whatever. Let's see if I can customize the volume panel and see what happens. No, it keeps it down there. That's so bizarre. I guess the fact it's still quite new and it hasn't really done much here. I wonder if changing the step volume. Yeah, that does. But it doesn't seem to be doing anything with this. So at the moment, that's where the volume panel is. But it's not even finished. You can see it's like cut off on this side of the screen here. Again, it's probably not optimized for the Flip's narrower form factor. Still in testing. So nothing really to report there with that, other than there's a new volume panel with the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and One UI 8. With lots of rumors flying in and around One UI 8, I've got a lot of thoughts about the direction Samsung can take with this and what they maybe should have done with One UI 7. That's upcoming in a future video, so make sure you hit subscribe to SamMobile TV for that. Go check out our website for all the latest One UI information, hardware, rumors, leaks, all of it's there. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.